So in the last session we have seen how to control this water level manually by pressing this switch and filling as well as in the discharging. Okay, so these two we have seen in the last session. Now let us see how to make this water filling and discharging level, how to make it automatically with the help of timer. So this is what we are going to see in this part. So I'll go to offline. So I'll go to this Siemens TIA simulator. I'll go offline first. Okay, so from here, as you can see here, whenever I start this valve, okay, when I energize this valve, the water has to start filling in the tank, right? So now what I have to do, this valve should reset automatically after a particular period of time, or 10 seconds, for example 10 seconds or 20 seconds. So whenever I start this button, start this valve, after 20 seconds the water should stop automatically, okay, or the filling of the tank should stop automatically. Similarly, when I press this discharge valve button, okay, when I start discharge valve, okay, so it start discharging this water. Okay, whenever I start, it will start discharging, that we have seen already, but it should stop discharging after a period of time. Okay, that means, for example, after 20 seconds of time, it should stop discharging automatically. Okay, so how to control that, how to do that working? So this is what we are going to see now. So for that, what I will do, I will delete all this program and I will start from the beginning. Now whenever it start, so what will happen, it should fill the water in the tank for a particular period of time, correct? So where we are going to use our on timer. Whenever I press this valve start button, or whenever I energize this valve, okay, so the water should fill in the tank for 10 seconds. After that, the valve should reset its operation. Okay, so here I will place a switch, and whenever this valve is activated, then only this timer will start, right? So I will choose the same address for fill valve. So whenever it starts the valve, so this become closed and the timer will start. Okay, now in the next I have to reset this valve after 10 seconds, correct? So again I will start a new branch and we'll start this. Okay, so this must be resetting this valve. So fill valve here, and whenever this time reaches 10 seconds, this valve should be turned off or it will reset. So here I will select, you can see this tank fill time, this timer block will be here. I will select this, and also it will choose for this bit. So I will choose here Q. Q is the output of this timer. Okay, so Q is the output of this timer. So this is what the logic is. So what will happen then? So whenever I press this start button for this valve operation, this valve will get energized and it will open, and water will start filling inside this tank. Okay, so at the same time the timer will also on. It is already set for 10 seconds. Okay, so the timer will give a delay of 10 seconds. Once it reaches 10 seconds, this Q bit will be activated and this become closed, and at the same time this valve will reset its operation. Okay, okay, now the simulation is running now. So when I press this start button, as you can see here in the program, in the simulation, so in the program you can see this timer will give a delay of 10 seconds. Once it reaches 10 seconds, okay, it is automatically stopped, the valve is automatically closed. Okay, so when I start this, you can see here the valve is closed now. Okay, Okay, now I need to modify the program for discharging also. So again I will go back to the program in offline mode and I will edit the program. So filling water for 10 seconds, that is done. Now I will change the program for discharging. Whenever I press this discharge valve, this will also get activated. So here I will give 15-second time, or I will give 10 seconds. I will give 10-second time. So what will happen? So whenever I press this discharge valve button, start discharging, okay, the valve will open, discharge valve will open. At the same time this timer also start, okay, and once it reaches 10 seconds, this discharge valve should reset its operation. Here you can choose the edge, okay, whenever it detects a positive edge, okay, then this reset valve, reset operation should happen. Likewise, you can, here I will choose a memory bit, okay. So what will happen whenever this output moves, whenever the output bit, that is whenever the output bit Q, when it detects a positive edge, that is from low to high transition, this will be activated and this will reset. So otherwise, similarly here I can go for a negative edge contact, and this I will give M0.1 memory bit. And what will happen whenever this off timer, the output bit, when it detects, when this bit detects a low transition, that means high to low transition, then this will get reset. Now when I press this valve, you can see this valve is activated and it will start filling the water in the tank for 10 seconds. You can see this also. So once it reaches 10 seconds, you can see here, once it reaches 10 seconds, it is automatically reset this valve, okay. And if I press this button again, this indicator is already on, that is why it is green in color. Now you can control this valve by pressing this stop button. Again, if I press this discharge valve, you can see this valve is activated and it will, the water will be discharging for 10 seconds, and after that it will turn. This is the automatic control of this water filling inside this tank, okay. Now in the next part we will understand, we will have a slight modification in the program. That means when I press this start button, start valve, so instead of turning on this indication, it should blink this LED. So we will see how to blink this LED when I press this start button. So this is what we are going to see in the next part.